Republic. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Thank you so much. Now, let us momentarily pause our festivities and shift our attention to our main program. But before that, let us also acknowledge the presence of our barangay Tagawas.
Oh, sino?
Joining us here, we would like to acknowledge our barangay, Sangguniang Barangay members, Honorable Jason C. Hipolito, Honorable Alberto Chinayapiab, Honorable Jess Rituya, Honorable Fernando C. Alberto, also Honorable Romeo P. Carsan, and of course, we have Honorable Antonio Obuyan and Honorable Ernesto B. Rituya Jr. Welcome and good evening, sir.
And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Barangay Secretary, Mr. John Martin V. Casina, and Mr. Renato C. Pirata, as well as our SK officials that our SK Mr. James Mark P. Akiba. Good evening.
Tabok mo na eh.
Alright, once again, good evening, people of Mataynan. Wala bang malakas na palakpakan?
Bago ka sa akin,
Good evening, everyone.
Alright, I hope you're enjoying the second night of our Barangay Fiesta. Parang may iba po yan pa ata, parang nakagising lang. Kasi pakita mo kanina umaga na natapos sa first night ng Barangay Fiesta. Totoo ba? Alright, and of course, joining with me tonight is my co-host, no other than Ma'am Joanne Afronda. Hello, Ma'am.
Yes, partner, thank you so much.
Kamusta naman si Ma'am Joanne?
Ayan, warm up na tayo. Diba? From doon sa yesterday na inilan ng fiesta ng first day na Barangay Ataynan. Pangalawang araw na wala ng patang kuryente, pero hindi tayo titigil. Dahil alam ni Lord na hindi sumusukuhan na ng Barangay Ataynan, of course. Lahat po yan, kaya-kaya. Sana po malakas ang palakpakan dyan.
There you have it. That is indeed a true testament of the resilience ng mga taga-Barangay Ataynan. And I am very much honored, guys, to be with you tonight for your Barangay Fiesta. And of course, I would like also acknowledge all our guests who are with